Cool, and $16.99. Cheat me online. I got the lowest configuration OPPO A6 GT. Again, I see some friends have already mentioned it, asking me to review this phone to see how it performs in gaming.
No problem. I've arranged it for you again. Speaking of which, I saw that the Apple 17 has been released, and I took a look at the standard version. Let's say 5,999, 256 gigabytes, and it also has a high refresh rate. I'll arrange to show you how the standard version performs in PUBG. By then, I'll test and switch, and I'll directly replace my 15 Pro. Without further ado, let's first look at the appearance and configuration of this phone.
In terms of the screen, 6.8 inches, screen resolution 2800 by 1280, refresh rate up to 120 Hz. Plastic frame, glass. The back cover is a very square, small phone. The frame is like a mirror. My white one doesn't pick up fingerprints on the back cover. In terms of performance, it is equipped with Snapdragon 7 Series 3 processor, a 7000 mAh battery, 80-watt charging, and ours is 8 plus 256. In performance mode, I ran a benchmark scoring 920,000 points, surpassing 27% of users. The benchmark score is indeed high. Last month, my Snapdragon 7 III only scored over 800,000. Let's look at the gaming aspect. HDR is extreme high definition, extreme balanced, and is smooth also extreme? If it's smooth at 60, we tested the Snapdragon 7 III last month, and it ran stably at the limit without issues. So I tested it at a smooth 90 for everyone. Let's directly start the gaming mode with the battery at 86 and begin. Okay, we're entering the game directly. Just wait a moment. Oh, what's going on? Stay stable. Don't rush. Stay stable. Rise a bit.
Can't go up. Can't go up.
Can't go up? Oh, I went. It's not working. Nah, brothers. Could it be that the smooth extreme is already the limit? Alright, let's go directly to the main area. High rise, you see, no problem on the plane. Small plane at 90 frames. No problem. Let's jump directly. Instantly 80. Just passed through the clouds. Fluctuated to 60. Now it just dropped to 37. And we landed smoothly. Oh, not many people. 7 people. It's a bit unsteady, guys. The frame rate jumps quite a bit, you see. 7. 10, 60, 80, jumping like this. Anyway, you see in the current situation, 7 people. Now, the frame rate from a distance is 75. Well, just say this phone, just say smooth extreme as long as it's fun. Okay, brothers, let's play for 18 minutes. The battery is still at 81%, with a 5% power consumption. The phone's temperature reached a maximum of 47 degrees, and the room temperature is 26.5. Let's check the frame rate averaging 80.2. Below is the frame rate situation, recording the entire session. When can it reach 90? Hey, on the plane, it can be 90. After people parachute and land, the frame rate fluctuates significantly, and then it stays around 80. For this phone, if you want to play at 90 frames, test, you can't really do it. You can only play at 60, 70, or 80 frames. So I suggest if you want to play normally, just play smoothly at 60 frames, and that's okay.
But if you specifically want to use it for gaming, you might want to look at other options. If it's for everyday use, you can consider it.